Hello, this is 1000 subscriber special video. I got this big box from YouTube and now I'm gonna unbox it. Oh, this is so exciting! Ding 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 ding. Here is the letter. It says, "Hi Anni, congrats for surpassing 1000 subs. Your channel is awesome. Keep going, good work. All the best for you. Best regards, YouTube boss Susan." Ooh, this is cool. And here is YouTube classes. And oh, what is that? The green play button. Look this is so cool. Ooh, it's Play-Doh button.
I think it's extremely dangerous.
Yeah.
I think you should crush it.
Here it is. Thanks.